Ma'am.
I'm also doing good. Okay, it's long back, huh?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, guys. Today's topic is about nitrogen metabolism, nitrogen fixation. Okay, hello.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Today I would like to. What is that? Nitrogen
Ma'am,
fixation.
please raise your hand.
Yeah, yeah. Am I audible? Clear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, how many of you attended to the class? 13 members?
14 members, ma'am.
14 members. Pharmacy people are there?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Now I asked to join, ma'am.
Only. Okay, okay, okay. Send the link to them, okay? So, nitrogen. What is nitrogen? Nitrogen is a molecular gas that mostly present, most abundant gas that present in environment, okay? What is nitrogen? Nitrogen is a molecular gas. What is that?
Molecular gas.
Yes.
Molecular gas.
What does it mean by molecular? Means N triple bond N2. It present as a N2 gas, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 78% of the gas environment atmosphere contains 78% N2 gas. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why we are talking about nitrogen? Why? Because out of the plant we have carbon. Most of the plant structure build up with carbon. Carbon is a macromolecule. After the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen is a protoplasmic nutrient that is mostly abundant in plant structure or plant physiology. Okay, so that we are talking about nitrogen. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. What is the significance? What is the significance of nitrogen? Why we are talking about nitrogen? Why means 1 minute. I will show the PPT. Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Here, what is the significance? Why? Yes. Here we are. What is the significance? It means amino acids are built up with are made up with nitrogen. Okay, proteins are also made up with nitrogen, and alkaloids, some of the alkaloids made up of nitrogen. Okay, what are the alkaloids? These are secondary metabolites of plant. What are they? They are secondary metabolites of plants. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they have nitrogen in it. Okay, they have nitrogen in it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, what are the examples? Examples are purine alkaloids. What are they? Purine alkaloids. Purine, which is nitrogen containing hetero compound. Okay, what are the examples? Caffeine, theophylline, theobromine, all are examples of purine alkaloids. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Which is present in tea leaves, right? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
So leaf is a part of plant. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And then nucleic acid. What is nucleic acid? Nucleic acid is a nothing but of nucleotide and nucleoside. Okay. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
these two also containing nitrogen in it. Okay, and some enzymes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and some enzymes, those are containing nitrogen in their cycles, and some vitamins, and some growth hormones. What is the growth hormone that contains nitrogen? Is indole acetic acid. What is that? Indole acetic acid. What is that? Indole
Indole acetic acid.
IAA. What is that? IAA, which promotes the growth of a plant. Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here I'll show by. Okay, yes. Amino acid, which is nothing but 1 minute. Yes, which is nothing but a COOH group as well NH2 group. Okay, amine plus acid. So it is amino acid. What is that?
Amino acid.
Yes. So that amino acid contains N in it. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Amino acids are pro units for proteins, which means one amino acid combines with another amino acid, which gives us peptide. What is that? Peptide bond. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Which ultimately gives us protein. Proteins. If there are n peptides, which means dipeptide, tripeptide, pentapeptide, or else polypeptides. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that proteins which are nothing but polypeptides, right? So that they have
Yes, ma'am.
nitrogen in it. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the basic unit for proteins? Is amino acid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So then second one is some of the cell growth regulators. What is that? Is IAA, which is indole acetic acid. Here indole is hetero compound, which means it has benzene plus pyrrole ring. It's a heterocyclic nitrogen containing compound. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this structure also we have nitrogen. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Here IAA, which promotes the growth of plants.
Plant.
Yes, and which is also reduce the dominancy. Okay, seed dominancy, and which is increase the typical growth of plant, meristematic growth of plant. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which also induces parthenocarpy in plants, which means seedless fruits. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So yes, tell me.
Once repeat it, ma'am.
IAA, indolestic acid, which is plant growth regulated hormone, which is growth promoting hormone, which promotes the growth of plant, meristematic growth of plant. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If you take a tree, you can see or you can observe the typical growth. Okay, which is like which elongated towards the it's like long length of the tree is depends on the IAA hormone. If you cut the typical end of the plant, you can see subset besides it's like what is that, branches growth. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so that we used to cut the tips of plants to grow uniformly. It's like okay,
Okay, ma'am.
because of the presence of IAA, this meristematic growth or typical growth is done. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And then third one is nucleic acids. Okay. What are the nucleic acids? One is DNA and other one is RNA. What do you mean by DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. What is RNA? Ribonucleic acid. Ribonucleic acid. So in this nucleic acid which contains nucleoside and nucleotide. What is that? Nucleotide. We usually DNA, RNA are also called as polynucleotides. What are they? Polynucleotides. In case of proteins, they are polypeptides, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
In case of DNA, RNA, they are polynucleotides, which means they have n number of nucleotides, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In this, yes, one is sugar, hexosugar, okay, and which connects to base, which is nitrogen base, whatever it may be, purine or pyrimidine, and which connects to sugar plus base plus phosphate, which is called as nucleotide. In this case, what are the sugars? Mostly ribose sugars. Okay. And what are the bases? Bases
Purine
are
and
purine and pyrimidine. Purine and pyrimidine, those are nitrogen bases. Why they are bases? N has lone pair of electrons, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Because of this lone pair of electrons, it would like to donate electron pair to the other one so that it behaves like a base, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So DNA, RNA also have constitute nitrogen in it. So that these are also very important in any genetic material. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Except a genetic material or a histone protein or DNA, RNA, there is a no living cell, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to talk about the nitrogen metabolism and nitrogen fixation and nitrogen absorption, all these things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Got you? Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So here, what is the slide? This slide contains what is the significance of nitrogen. Why? Because you can say Nitrogen is a primary unit in amino acids, proteins, amino acids, nucleic acids, and some plant growth hormones, and so that we have to talk about nitrogen. Okay, what is meristematic growth? It's like if any part it has a free rapid growth or rapid cell division is possible in the zone of meristematic zone. In the zone of meristematic, that that group of cells are all called meristematic cells. Okay, they are like rapidly divided cells. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So that is the significance. Then what is nitrogen? Then we can talk about what is nitrogen. Nitrogen is N triple bond N, which is bounded. Okay, strongly bounded. It has 3 bonds. One is single bond and 2 are pi bonds. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
And nitrogen is a molecular gas. It is present in atmospheric gas. Okay, atmosphere environment. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And the nitrogen, it has 3 electrons in their valency. Okay, so that it is a inert gas. What is that? Half filled valency, half filled orbital is there in nitrogen atom, right? 1s2 2s2 2p3, which has half filled electron system, so that it is a inert gas. What is that?
Inert gas.
By this inert behavior or inert behavior, it couldn't be usable by plants as nitrogen. Okay, it's not usable. Okay, plants can't take nitrogen as molecular gas. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so that they are fix the nitrogen by a cycle. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so that fixation, that cycle is also called as nitrogen cycle. Why it is nitrogen cycle? It is a cycle between living organisms and non-living organisms. It is a biogeological cycle. Okay, what is that? Biogeological cycle. Okay. Okay. Biogeological, which means bio means living and geological means which is non-living. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that in this cycle we are talking about some living system and then geological, which has soil in it, right? Geo means soil. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, some of the cycle is under the earth. It's like earthly. Some of the cycle which has bio, it means living system. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So then I'll show the 1 minute screen. Here. Yes, what is nitrogen? Nitrogen is a molecular gas present in atmosphere. It presents 78%. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. They are covalently bond. Okay. It's a triple bond, which is 1 single bond and 2 double bonds. They are covalently bond. Okay. They share 1 pair of electrons. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes. And then atmospheric nitrogen fixed by some bacteria. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So that we have to talk about bacterial nitrogen fixation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Bacteria are of prokaryotes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Prokaryotes, which means they don't have.
True nucleus.
Yes. So they don't have mitochondria. So they can't prepare their own food. So then they depends on others to survive themselves. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Here, these prokaryotes depends on some plant organs or some plant part, and they both mutually survive each other. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that type of nature is called as symbiotic. What is that? Symbiotic. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Then this cycle is also called as biogeological cycle, which has living system and non-living system. It is a continuous process where you anywhere you can see the cycle, which means it is a continuous process and the steps are like recycled. It's like okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So then what are the nitrogen components? Mainly one is ammonia and nitrates and nitrites and molecular nitrogen. Okay. 4 components are there. Okay. One is
Ammonia,
yes, ammonia.
molecular
Yes, molecular nitrogen,
nitrates,
nitrates and nitrites.
um,
So that I'll say by this, one is nitrogen, which is molecular one, and then which add to hydrogen, so which is ammonia or ammonium. Okay. And then
yes,
which adds to oxygen. These are nitrates and nitrites, right?
nitrites,
So one is single one, and then which complex to hydrogen, and then some of them are complex to oxygen. So ultimately these 4 components are under nitrogen components. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Yes. This N2 is most inert one. So the reason, because of that reason, it can't be used by plants. Okay. It's not a usable form. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If in case of ammonia, nitrates and nitrates, they are plant usable forms. Okay.
గైస్ టమాటా
గైస్ ఏం కాదమ్మా,
గైస్ కదా
గైస్ కాదు నాన్న.
గైస్ ఇగో గైసా గైసే కదా వీళ్ళు
అవునమ్మా, క్లాస్ అవుతుందమ్మా.
కట్ చేసేసిన ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడుకోండి మా